I'm Nicole.
I'm Chris.
What's your name?
They want to know your name. Will.
You say it.
Will.
What prompted you to get a wheelchair accessible vehicle?
To transport our son to appointments, to school, to play dates,
The camps.
to camps.
He's busy.
To
Yes.
everywhere, yeah.
Do you have a wheelchair accessible vehicle now?
We did, yes, before we bought this.
Sure. Was it a side entry, rear entry?
Rear entry. We bought it used on the second market, and it wasn't from Freedom Motors.
Okay.
But we were told by other families we know with accessible vehicles, we were counseled to get a rear entry because we're able to transport a friend that uses a chair with him somewhere. And it's just a lot easier to park and to load and unload no matter where we are,
Yeah, we prefer rear entry.
for sure.
Okay. For the parking situation?
Yeah, the rental we had because our previous one was in an accident was a side entry, and so we got to experience the side entry, and we didn't like that near as
No.
much. So
Never again.
You find that like people would actually block you in parking lots or?
Yes, definitely. Or there was just a lack of accessible parking spots for a side entry van. It was a real ordeal, no matter where we were, to get parking. And I felt like our option was drive up to the front of the wherever we were, unload him, and then leave him by himself while I'm parking the vehicle. And that just seemed like a terrible option. I didn't like that at all.
yeah, and then our driveway isn't that wide either, so we had an issue with that.
We were doing an internet search to see what kind of dealers were out there, and we're from Ohio. And there is a dealer in our city, but they only do side entries. And we aren't interested in side entries. We are interested in rear entry vehicles, and that's how we found you. The catalog of vehicles that you convert
Different.
was much better than what our availability was for other companies that we looked at. We liked the vehicles that you converted. We liked that you did rear entry. That was really the selling point for us.
Yeah, we found that Kia Tellurides were really good vehicles, and we wanted to go with that. And the fact that you converted that and
Different.
the rear entry was a big
Different.
selling point for us.
They were different. They weren't a van.
You're very excited to get the new van, aren't you? Yeah.
So-
We definitely wanted to test one to make sure that it had the headroom that we wanted for Will and that it was a good fit for his wheelchair configuration, other than just confirming
Different.
that we wanted to. Okay, please settle down. Confirming that we wanted to do that was, just making sure it actually fit.
How did Ed help you through the process?
It was a roller coaster. It was a real roller coaster.
That has been our rock.
Yeah.
Ed's, he's been very, very helpful. And nice. Will really, really likes Ed. The fact that he drove to Toledo
Yeah.
twice
Yeah.
is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Our dog really likes Ed too.
That's a true story.
Yeah, it was.
She was very excited
She's
to see
never
me today.
reacted to a visitor like she does to Ed, so that was nice. But no, yeah, he's been very, very helpful. This is a process. It's a stressful process. The whole thing is, we ran into a lot of
Funding issues with
funding issues and
Yeah,
just
our
road-
state Medicaid.
roadblocks.
Okay.
So yeah.
Where's one of the places you can't wait to go in your new vehicle?
Where do you want to go
What do you-
first in
that's
the van?
maybe a good question for Will.
Yeah. Where should we take the van tomorrow?
Downtown library.
Library?
Yeah.
Okay. Anywhere? Where next? Where else should we go?
Parking structure.
Parking structure. Okay. Anywhere else?
You want to go someplace with an elevator?
Parking structure.
It's a
for
parking
sure. Yeah. Okay. Just those two places.
Anything else about your experience or with the vehicle that you'd like to share?
Just complimenting Freedom Motors on their communication and their dedication to helping get families into vehicles. Do you have any questions for the men or the ladies?
You done with this?
That's a good ending.